Read the instructions before installation. Lay down the protective mat. Remove the fixing screws on the handlebar. Remove the fixture. Remove the handlebar and place it gently against the protective mat. Apply screw adhesive to all screws. Attach the bar risers. Note that the logo faces outward, for the left side and R for the right side on the bar risers. Don't attach it wrongly. Tighten the screws with a torque wrench. The parameters are as shown in the picture. Gently lift the handlebar. Place it into the U-shaped groove. Fasten the fixture. Initially tighten the screws. Do not lock tight. Adjust handlebar position and angle. Tighten the rear screws first. Then tighten the front screws. The parameters are as shown in the picture. Demonstration completed. Thank you for watching.